Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright, let's fly the JJRC M02 at RC Airport. This is the first time for me to get the chance to fly it at RC Airport. Yes, I finally can conclude that it has altitude hold barometer, because once you leave the stick at middle throttle, as you can see, it holds its altitude properly. This is my favorite mode to fly at, because it's like a multi-rotor mode and it flies absolutely beautiful, both like a multi-rotor and an aircraft. This is my least favorite mode. Uh-oh, wind is pushing, so I'm gonna be a little genius. I'm gonna put the sides into the wind so that it's difficult for wind to push it. Less area to push, you know, and you can go against the wind. Nice, you can just rotate and do these kind of aerobatics. Going forward is trouble for it like this. Switching is instantaneous and absolutely stable switching. Alright, let's fly it in forward flight mode. I've been testing it, so I realize in forward flight mode you have to keep some throttle all the time, and if you leave the elevator you have to be careful, because it might lose the, you know, altitude so quick. And once it stalls, you're not going to have, say, just like that, it gets into aerobatics. So once it stalls, you are going to have a lot of trouble controlling it. And that's where some of my friends actually crashed the similar version, which was XK. Okay, I switched it at the right time. Awesome. My other day testing, which you will watch in a video after this, actually ended up in 2 or 3 crashes, and I was doing forward flight, and that's where I learned that you cannot actually reduce the throttle a lot, because it will get into stall, and once it stalls you try to control, it starts pulling aerobatics like in a 3D mode, and then you will crash it. So don't do that. And also remember, you have to fly it like very smooth turns, otherwise once you lose control you will crash it. The similar version XK X450, some of my friends actually crashed their planes. Say, you cannot pull sudden elevator in forward flight mode. It actually flips, turns, and starts doing aerobatics. It has a differential thrust, so I can suggest keep a good throttle, and if banking doesn't turn it much, use a little bit of rudder, and that will do the job. But don't overdo the rudder, because if you overdo the rudder, you will have the same thing. you will have the same thing. If you overdo the rudder, it will turn so quick that you won't be able to control it. This is really my favorite mode because this is where you can fly it indoors and outdoors and have a lot of fun. Offers absolutely nice control. Now, I have an FPV system all-in-one. I can just stick it up. I hope I have the right connectors. I can enjoy some FPV.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?